Odessa is the grain gate of our country. Our city was the first in Ukraine to open a grain market. Odessa Miller School was the first to educate food manufacturing industry specialists. We were the first company to start offering the whole range of services for projects planning and grain complexes constructing. For more than 25 years, we remain a progressive Ukrainian manufacturer which implements innovative technologies and supplies services in the sphere of grain storing and processing. Grain Capital Group of Companies is a powerful and solid giant in the Ukrainian grain elevators market. Grain Capital Group of Companies consists of elevator equipment plant and Grain Capital Engineering Company. We perform project planning, designing and building of grain elevators and terminals, as well as automation, dedusting of grain elevator complexes and feed milling plants. Our company manufactures equipment and trains personnel.
Grain
Capital Group of Companies' work priorities directly connect us with modernization of serial receiving points such as grain elevators, grinding mills, feed milling plants on the one hand, and create the conceptually new enterprises on the other hand. ISO 9001 quality system is implemented at the enterprise. All our equipment is manufactured at modern machine tool stations with the use of high-quality imported materials and component parts by leading world manufacturers. Almost all the equipment installed at our factories of the highest class and allows correct and precise manufacturing of our equipment for international and local markets. Construction development at the enterprise is performed in single environment. This allows construction managers share information, perform total unification of details used, apply component parts of trusted trademarks and avoid mistakes. Conveying equipment is a base for any grain elevator. Our production facilities allow manufacturing horizontally oriented conveyors such as slider conveyors, chain conveyors, belt conveyors, or vertically oriented bucket elevators. Ukr-Elevator Prom company cooperates with Grain Capital Group of Companies for 10 years. For all this time, company was showing itself as a reliable partner. For us, the main priorities in creating any new enterprise are quality, processability, reliability, energy efficiency, and safety. Our important advantage is a team of professionals. Their level of knowledge and skills corresponds to the level of employees of the transnational corporations. Our company is unique in a way that we perform turnkey-ready services from project planning to putting the object into operation and setting up a ready-made business. We do take the full responsibility for this. Successfully implemented Common Information Space Network has shown itself as a good advantage. It allows effective interfering into any business process that takes place in a company even in time of peak loads. Properly organized economy is an integral aspect of any enterprise's work. This means honest and transparent relations with suppliers, smart norm setting and fair wages. All this is necessary for creating a successful company ready to supply high-quality equipment to the customer. Our company owns 2 grain elevators. enterprise. We have been cooperating with Grain Capital Company for more than 2 years. In 2014 we have put the first grain elevator into operation. We have purchased all the lifting and conveying machines from Grain Capital Company. In 2015 we have put into operation the second grain elevator complex in Berdichev. Again, we bought all the equipment from Grain Capital. I believe this is the company that has the best quality-to-price ratio in Ukraine. We offer our clients a complex of effective solutions in building more profitable grain elevators that possess optimal characteristics and range of advantages in comparison with currently existing enterprises. I should say the main result of our work is not just a highly productive, innovative equipment that has no analogs in Ukraine. I'd like to mention layout decisions for grain elevators and grain processing enterprises, as well as automation systems, ecological safety systems, and grain elevators building technologies as our main achievements. We have a maintenance service department in the structure of our company that ensures non-stop operation of our partners' grain elevator equipment. All the emergency cases are addressed in a timely manner and by means of quality troubleshooting. Grain Capital is responsible for maintenance service at our enterprise. They perform diagnosis, chronology and all the necessary reports. The company promptly responds to any damage of our necessities. We are them, so to say. Any company's goal is receiving the income, but not every company's CEO asks himself the following questions. How well do you do your job? How social are your rules for the employees and for the country? Are the measures you take innovative and foresighted? We ask these questions every day. One cannot just build a grain elevator and forget about it. Precision, technological perfection and competitive ability of projects we build are the most important things for us. Our motto is "Professionals for Professionals." Cooperation with us will lead your newly built or reconstructed grain processing complex to faster return of investments and profit-bringing. Our experience is hundreds of renovated enterprises. Our partners trust us and we appreciate that.